Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Today, ato ning tubagon ang usasa ning message na to sa ato ang comment section. Muna siya ang iyahang message. So, ang pangutana mao ni, is a student can be held liable for a crime if he bullied his teacher? The answer is yes. A student can be held criminally liable of a crime if he or she bullied his or her teacher. Under the Philippine law, the students can be charged for cyberbullying. That may fall under Republic Act 10627 or the Anti-Bullying Act and Republic Act 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act if it is done online. But the legal consequences depends on the nature of bullying and the age of the students who bullied the teacher. Because under Republic Act 9344 or the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act, if ang student is 15 years old and below, he or she is criminally exempt but subject for intervention program by the DSWD. Now, second, if the student is 15 years old above but 18 years old below, kung ning-act siya with discernment, he or she can be criminally liable. And lastly, if the student is 18 years old and above, well, of course, he or she can be criminally liable for bullying his or her teacher. Why? Because, ako na nang i-discuss sa akong previous video, teachers are considered person in authority. Thank you so much for listening and hopefully this will help. If you like to know or to learn more videos relating to educational law, please feel free to make a comment in the comment section for me to make videos that will relate to your queries. Thank you so much and God bless.